battle against Ecrutique's gym leader, Morty. Will the challenger be able to advance in the face of persistent attacks by his ghost-type Pokemon? There's the attack! Yes, it's a hit! Nasty toxic! Wearing the bow down appears to be the plan. It's a fierce battle. A furious attack! Great hit! It restored its HP. They're both hanging tough. Vicious attack. Oh, a blow to the weak spot. Oh, it collapsed. The next Pokemon needs to be prepared. Oh, it's Alakazam. The heated action continues. The commands are made. There's the attack. That did little damage. There's the shot. That's it. A hot battle is unfolding. It restored its HP. A sharp attack. Hit! That was good. The white-hot battle continues. It restored its HP. There it goes! Yes, it's a hit! Additional damage in an already difficult situation. Sparks are flying from both competitors. It restored its HP. There's the attack! Oh, that's a miss. Ow! Additional damage. Oh, knockout! We're eagerly awaiting the appearance of the next Pokemon. Oh, it's Marowak! They're both hanging tough. Okay. A furious attack. Great hit. Vicious attack. Hit. That inflicted some damage. That's it. The heated action continues. A psychic blast! Hit! That was good! Yes, it's going down! There's only one Pokemon left to come out. Oh, it's Gengar! It's down to the last Pokemon now. It's a fierce battle. They go into battle pose. It used Thunder Wave. It's gripped by paralysis. It can't move. A hot battle is unfolding. That's it! That worked perfectly. There are no more remaining Pokemon.